Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, it feels so good when you say that. Anyway, today's video is ultra special because I think मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा questions आते हैं कि आप खाते क्या हो. बहुत simple सी चीज़ है, but I was like, चलो, let's document this and share with you guys rather that what I eat in a day. So I'm gonna take you along with me and basically show you all my meal preps and how I take care of my nutrition and all those things. I'm somebody who do conscious eating and I also follow the most famous intermittent fasting. I have been doing it for years and trust me, it suits my body. I feel really energetic, I feel really fit and I feel good when I do intermittent fasting. So generally मैं 16 to 8 hour की window follow करती हूँ. तो basically I would eat in that 8 hours की window. Obviously 1-2 घंटे कभी कभी ऊपर नीचे हो जाते हैं depending upon how my day is like, but generally it is around that ratio. And I'm almost ready now. I'm ready for my second cup of coffee. I've just had 1 cup of black coffee since morning and that was in my bed because I like to enjoy a long drink scrolling through the phone up and down. I think सबको पसंद है, अच्छी आदत नहीं है, but everybody likes to do it. So I've just had that and now I'm almost ready. We have to go out and sort out boring banking things and come back home and I have to review online classes and other things. So stick around with me. I'm gonna take you along and show you what I eat in a day. But for now, it's time for my second cup of black coffee and I'm looking so forward to it. Black coffee. Rather, I'll show you how I make it because I'm gonna use this machine. Here's my coffee. Look at the crema, guys. So this machine is from Nespresso. This is a fancy machine. मुझे instant coffee भी चलती है. But now that we have it here, so why not? Because look at the crema, you guys. Instant coffee में कभी crema अच्छा नहीं आता. So I'll just, okay, let me just take a sip in front of you guys. This is my second cup of coffee. Like I instantly feel ki let's get started with the day and that's what I'm gonna do, so stick around. Hi guys, so it's time for my first meal and I would generally go for some eggs, maybe 1 or 2, and along with it I like to go with some salad and obviously bread, and I love avocados. They are so nutritious and so yummy and so creamy. So 1 avo, and agar mera man kiya to maybe some nuts. Okay, so I've taken some leaves and I've added this dressing in it already. तो अगर आपके पास ये already pre-mixed dressing नहीं है, so मैं भी generally ये कम खरीदती हूँ वैसे, but I would generally make a dressing with olive oil, lemon and lemon or vinegar and some salt and pepper. That's okay. So I'm just mixing it. So that's my salad ready. It's just that simple and easy. So now it's time for me to chop the avocado and start plating up because egg would be the last thing I'm gonna do because I want to eat it nice and hot. Okay, so that's my bread which is ready and that's my salad and avocado, so I'll keep it here, and that's egg, and that's just like half fried egg. So it's really basic food but something which I really enjoy as my first meal most of the days. So I'm gonna enjoy this and I'll talk to you guys when I'm having my next snack probably. So see you soon. now that I have eaten my first meal, it's time for me to have some vitamins. So I'll tell you what I'm eating. This is vitamin C, this is zinc, this is folic acid, and this is for my hair, skin and nails. This is power gummies. And also please make sure you're having a lot of water. So this is my I've just added some lemon slices. I also like to squeeze the lemon into it. So obviously sometimes you can do something like that. Okay, keeping that aside, please drink a lot of water. It's really good for your health. And I'm craving for something sweet, so I've got some like leftover anar, and this is peanut butter which I've just warmed up in microwave for 30 seconds. This one is crunchy one, okay? And मैंने थोड़े से bananas को chop किया हुआ है. So basically I'll just add my bananas here. And if you have cinnamon powder, then you must sprinkle that इसके ऊपर, and it tastes so yum. Otherwise ऐसे भी it's really nice. A lot of people, they like having a drizzle of honey also on top of it, but trust me, it works well for me, and it's a great combo. A lot of people go for apple and peanut butter, banana or banana peanut butter, however you want to go. It's a great snack, sweet snack if you're craving for something sweet, so it's a great healthy option. Okay, now let me enjoy this, and I'll see you very soon. Till the time it's little dried out. Okay, so I'm basically reviewing this masterclass for our online students, and साथ में I'm having this heaven. Oh my god, this tastes so yum, you guys. Like, I'm not a fan of peanut butter. Like, ऐसे मैं खाली अकेले peanut butter नहीं खा सकती, but along with the fruit or something, it's like, it's so yum. And of course, थोड़े से अनार. Okay, I'll see you शाम को when I'll make a snack or something for myself, or like a pre-dinner, maybe a soup, or let's see what are we gonna make. Okay, so now I'm making hummus because I was really craving for one, and there's nothing like homemade hummus. So obviously shop bots are really easy to access and all those things, and I also do it sometimes, but sometimes when I'm really craving for authentic hummus, then homemade one is the best one. Anyway, the ingredients that we require are boiled chickpeas. So these are like white छोले जिसको बोलते हैं. तो हो सके तो जो इसकी जो स्किन होती है, लाइक जो ये वाला जो हिस्सा होता है, इसको आप अलग कर दोगे तो दैट विल बी रियली गुड. अदरवाइज जितना हो सकता है, अदरवाइज जस्ट टू गेट स्मूथ टेक्सचर ऑफ योर hummus. So try to remove the skin of these boiled chickpeas. So whenever you do like this, it starts coming up. Whenever you start mixing it, or just kind of give them a shake, so you can see all these coming up. So ये सब आप remove कर सकते हो. Okay, so these are boiled white chole, and then the most important ingredient, and I think the most important ingredient that you really need to take care, जो आपको शायद थोड़ा आराम से ना मिले, वो होता है ताहीनी. ऑब्वियसली दूसरी लैंग्वेज में लिखा हुआ है. सो ताहीनी इज़ बेसिकली, आई थिंक सेसमी सीड्स का ऑयल होता है, या फिर कुछ उसका बटर होता है. सो इट्स मेड फ्रॉम सेसमी सीड्स. दैट्स ऑल आई नो, एंड यू नीड अराउंड 1 to 2 spoons of that. And then basic ingredients like lemon, ginger, salt, some olive oil, ये है paprika, और basically red chili powder भी आप use कर सकते हो, या फिर देगी मिर्च I sometimes replace that with. And this is homemade roasted cumin powder. So cumin powder. So what we're gonna do is the process basically. पहले हम lemon juice को, let me actually start taking, I'm just squeezing out the juice out of these huge lemons. तो पहले हम लेमन जूस और ताहीनी को ग्राइंड करेंगे साथ में, एंड देन वी विल ऐड रेस्ट ऑफ द ingredients. Okay, so now I'm adding this huge spoon of tahini first. So we'll go 1 spoon at a time. So I'll taste it and I'll see if I need more. Then only I'll add it. Okay, so now I'm adding boiled chickpeas into this. And some salt. 2 cloves of garlic, 1 or 2 as you want. And I'll add the rest of the seasoning later. I'm adding thoda sa pani, like little by little, literally like 2-3 spoons. I'll show you how this is looking right now. So it's like a nice smooth paste. I'll taste it now and we'll see कि मुझे और इसमें क्या डालना है. But so far, looking amazing. So I'm just tasting a little bit. It's so yum, you guys. थोड़ा सा रेड चिली पाउडर और या पेपरिका या फिर आपको देगी मिर्च डालो. मैं कभी-कभी देगी मिर्च भी डालती हूँ. थोड़ा सा मैं क्यूमिन पाउडर भी डालूंगी और एंड little bit of olive oil because why not. And इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे स्टर करके, let me stir it like this. And now okay, so this is how it's looking and it is so yummy. I have tasted it. मैं थोड़ा सा इसमें ऑयल डाल के और थोड़ा सा इसको लास्ट बार ब्लेंड करूँगी ताकि थोड़ा सा रनी टेक्सचर हो जाए. And yeah, okay, so our hummus platter is ready. I've just tasted it and it is tasting like heaven. And I've got some carrots. Obviously, अगर आपको super healthy option चाहिए, then go for veggies like carrots, cucumber or celery sticks. But I'm also having half pita bread, so I think itna chalta hai. Anyway, I'm gonna take a pinch of cumin powder, the same homemade one, and let's do the taste test in front of you guys now. Okay, so let's do the taste test first. This is so good, so smooth and so yummy. And also tahini आपकी मर्जी आपको कितनी डालनी है. I just normally put 1 big tablespoon. आप 2 भी डाल सकते हो, but I just feel sometimes कि उससे hummus कड़वी हो जाती है. But this is so perfect. You should try this. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back for my dinner. I'm actually not very hungry, but मुझे dinner बनाना है क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारी सब्जियां हैं जो यूज़ करनी है. So this is the kind of dish which I would generally make at least once in a week. तो whatever जो leftover veggies होती है, obviously raw veggies, तो इस रेसिपी में बहुत अच्छे से यूज़ हो जाती है. तो ये इतनी कोई मुश्किल रेसिपी नहीं है. इट्स बेसिकली मिक्स वेज जो आई थिंक हर कोई जानता है कैसे बनाते हैं. या तो मैं मिक्स वेज बनाती हूँ या फिर आई वुड गो फॉर अ टॉम यम सूप. So I was confused between the both, but I'm feeling more like Indian today. So that's what we're gonna make. So I have laid out all the veggies here, whatever was there in my fridge basically, and मैंने सब कुछ चॉप कर लिया है. तो इसकी रेसिपी बहुत सिंपल है. तो आप देख सकते हैं मेरे पास बहुत सारी खूबसूरत वेजीज है. And it's actually really healthy, and I think सबको हफ्ते में एक बार ही मिक्स वेज ज़रूर बनाना चाहिए. So I've got some onion, tomatoes, chili, ginger. I'm not adding garlic because I made hummus जिसमें बहुत सारा garlic था. Not बहुत सारा. इसमें I added some garlic. तो I'm skipping garlic in this one. So it's very simple. I would basically oil in the wok, and then ginger, then प्याज एंड टमाटर, देन हरी मिर्चें, एंड देन बहुत सारे मसाले, जितने भी मसाले, मुझे सारे मसाले बहुत पसंद हैं. एंड देन ऑल माई वेजीज into the wok and basically cover it with a lid, and your mixed veg will be ready. So I'll show you briefly. So I'm adding the tomatoes and chili. And बहुत आवाज आ रही है. So that's like a basic tadka. Some salt, like 1 to 1.5 teaspoon, not zyada. And I like to add degi mirch, har ke, and haldi, coriander powder, garam masala. I told you I add all the spices. And a bit of chicken masala, which I love to add in Indian sabzis and everything. The tomatoes and onions, basically tomatoes, they go pulpy like this. So that's when I add all the veggies. Sari veggies will go inside the tadka, masala, whatever you call it. And I cook them all at the same time. I'm sure I'm just I'm not a professional chef enough. I'm just a newbie. I like to take my own turns and twists when I'm cooking food. So what I'll do is I'll just mix it nicely and make sure your flame is on thin when you do this. And if required, I'll add just a dash of water, though it's gonna be like dry or sabzi, but just so that it doesn't, ज़्यादा वो कभी-कभी नीचे लग जाती है इसके. So I just add a little bit of water, and then what I'll do is I'll cover it with the lid. Okay, so in the meanwhile, my mixed veg is getting ready. I'm quickly making a chapati for myself, and
this is looking very round.
Round?
Yeah, like perfect.
चपाती का round वाला concept भी बहुत different है. If you want to make a perfect chapati, don't go to YouTube, because मैंने I think 1-2 साल लगाया YouTube पे देखते हुए कि perfect चपाती कैसे बनती है, और जो वो बताते हैं वो कभी वैसा नहीं. I know you are on YouTube only. So it just comes out of practice, and do whatever your mom tells you to do. Their technique is always the best. And round की बात नहीं होती. Round is a very basic concept. बात होती है कितनी मोटी बने, कितनी पतली बने, कितनी फूल रही है, and बहुत सारी चीजें. So अभी I'm gonna make my chapati, and I'll show you the final outcome in short while.
Maybe you can make a video on chapati science, you know.
No, I wouldn't be able to help them, because even I just wing it.
Wing it.
Okay, so this is my dinner. Simple Indian food, but I love it. मैं जितनी मर्जी चीज़ें बनाऊँ, but Indian food is something which I would miss at the end, and also Italian. But yeah, Indian food is something which I cannot live without. So this is a simple dinner, but I really want to go and enjoy it. I am really tired. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed whatever I showed you, and do let me know what else you want me to film, what else you want me to do videos about. Okay, before you go, don't forget, we have 4 this time, which is like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon, because पता कैसे चलेगा कि मैं video जब डालूंगी, you want to get notified first, right? So don't miss on my videos. Press the bell icon right away, and thank you so much for watching. Good night, and I'll see you in my next vlog.